Okay, the yes, no, maybe. We're literally just gonna say yes, okay? Tongue up, teeth slightly parted but lips closed when we do this. We're breathing through our nose. And then we're gonna say no. So we're gonna be looking over our shoulders. And then we're gonna think maybe. We wanna make sure that our shoulders are down. We just bring our ear to our shoulder and the other one. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat this now, go through the whole thing without talking. I'm gonna do 5 of each. Tongue up, teeth slightly parted, lips closed, breathe through the nose. You're gonna go to the range of motion that feels comfortable for you. If you have tightness in one side versus the other, I want you to hold it on the side that you feel might need a little bit more stretch. So you'll just go at your own pace. It's really great if you do this up against a wall as well, because what that does is it allows your bum, shoulders, and head to be in alignment. So feet, bum, shoulders, and head to be up against the wall. And then you're just saying yes, no, and then maybe.